guys, today we are going to be making a pina colada so that you can at least have a refreshing drink while you're in quarantine. So first you'll need 1 can of pineapple juice, some cut up pineapple, 13 ounces of coconut milk, and some sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar to be exact. So first we're going to put in our coconut milk into our blender. Just like this. Okay, so we have that. And then we can put in our pineapple juice. Okay, then we can put in our cut up pineapples. And then our 2 tablespoons of sugar. Right over here. Okay. So there's 1. And 2. So now we can start blending. So put this on. Just like that. This on. Okay, put that in and okay, so our pina colada is blended, and now we can start putting it into the glasses. You can add some ice into this to make it nice and cold, so you can be at least happy during quarantine. And there we go. Nice and cold. Bye.